Azure AD is a service that provides identity management and access control for your cloud-based applications. You use Azure AD when you subscribe to Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft SharePoint Online, Exchange Online, or Skype for Business. Additionally, you can use Azure AD with Azure apps or internet-connected apps that require authentication. You can synchronize your on-premises ADDS with Azure AD to allow your users to use the same identity across both internal resources and cloud-based resources. Azure AD does not include all the services available with an on-premises Active Directory solution that uses Windows Server 2016. On-premises Active Directory in Windows Server 2016 supports 5 services: ADDS, ADFS, Active Directory Lightweight Directory Services, ADLDS, Active Directory Certificate Services, ADCS, Active Directory Rights Management Services, ADRMS. Azure AD includes only Azure AD, which supports identity management in the cloud. Azure Access Control Service, which supports federation with external identity management services, including your on-premises instance of ADDS. Azure AD does not support applications that are integrated with on-premises Active Directory. For applications to integrate with Azure AD, they must be Azure AD specific. Note, you cannot create ADDS domain controllers in Azure AD. You can use Azure AD as a standalone service or integrate it with your existing on-premises Active Directory infrastructure. However, you do not create or manage the Azure AD systems. Instead, you manage your users in the Azure AD service.